This girl was being rude to me. Before this scene, she told me to stop adding like a kid. I told her, you mean acting? You can look at the chat, she said, shut up. Girl, I am not, you can tell by my avatar. She's 8? I said, wow. Okay. She's going to my friend. Let's see what happens. True. She doesn't need one. That's why I said she. Sorry, I don't have a lot to say, so let's wait. Caught in 4,000. You're a brat, V. I decided to join my friend. Wow.
I found my old phone too. You think I was
True.
born to ruin your life, but you did most of that before I arrived. Some things are broken when you open the box. So stop this. You've come too far enough.
She thinks she can roast her.
I wish I didn't care this much, but I do. No one knows the half of it what you put me through. And I sometimes wonder, do you live with regret? Wish I
Girl, you just said you were 8.
Cause I used to love you. Now every day I hate you just a little more. Life got better when I lost you, but every day I hate you just a little more and more and more. Blame it on your head. You think I was born to ruin your life, but you did
Thanks.
most of that before I arrived. Some things are broken when you open the box. So stop this. You've come too far, enough is enough. I wish I didn't care this much, but I do. No one knows the half of it, what you put me through. And I sometimes wonder, do you live with regret? Wish I could say I wish you the best. 'Cause I used to love you, now every day I hate you just a little more. Life got better when I lost you, but every day I hate you just a little more, and more, and more. Blame it on your history and say it's not your fault. I can't call you crazy, 'cause you could be diagnosed. Oh, I used to love you, but every day I hate you just a little. Stop bringing drama there with your mates. Your sister's got enough to manage on her plate, to worry about you controlling your age. And one day we'll all be dead, but between now and then, I never want to see you again. I used to love
Girlie,
you,
you're 8.
now every day I hate you just a little more. Life got better when I lost you, but every day I hate you just a little more, and more, and more. Blame it on your history and say it's not your fault. I can't call you
Yeah.
crazy.
Bye-bye.
You could be diagnosed. Oh, I used to love you, but every day I hate you just a little more, and more, and more. I wish I didn't care this much, but I do. No one knows the half of it, what you put me through. And I sometimes wonder, do you live with regret? Wish I could say I wish you the best, but I don't. I used to love you, now every day I hate you just a little more. Life got better when I lost you, but every day I hate you just a little more.
Again, she's too young to date. And I'm serious. You're just gonna stand there. She keeps coming back. Oh, oh, oh. Up. She left without saying anything. Like and subscribe.